Good morning, everyone. So, today we will do the revision of this lesson number 3, that is teeth talk. In the previous video, we have already discussed about the different types of teeth, such as canines, incisors, premolars, and molars. Now, today we will discuss about the structure of a tooth. So, a tooth has two main parts, the crown and the root. The white visible part, this white visible part of a tooth is called crown, and the part of the tooth which is present below the gums is called root. This root attaches the tooth to the jaw bone. Now, a tooth has three different layers. Number one is enamel. This is enamel. Enamel is the outermost coating of the tooth. It is the outermost part of the tooth, and it is the hardest material in our body. Even it is harder than our bones. And what is the function of this enamel? This enamel protects our tooth from the pressure of chewing hard substances. It also saves our tooth from germs and help to withstand too hot or too cold foods. So this enamel saves our tooth from germs, from the attack of germs, right? Now the next layer is dentine. This is dentine, and this layer lies beneath the enamel. Enamel के नीचे होती है ये dentine layer. And what is the function of this dentine? This dentine is hard as bone, but it is less harder than enamel. Enamel is hardest and dentine is harder than bone, or it is as hard as bone. And what is the function of this dentine? This dentine helps to hold the enamel in place and form the bulk of the tooth. Now the next layer is pulp. Next layer is pulp. Pulp is this is the innermost layer of the tooth. Pulp is the innermost soft tissue of the tooth that contains blood vessels and nerves. इसमें blood vessels भी होते हैं और nerves भी present होती हैं. It forms the connectivity of the tooth with the blood supply and nerves of our body. So the uppermost layer is enamel, the layer beneath the enamel is dentine, and the layer beneath the dentine is pulp. And all the three layers have different functions. So all the layers of the tooth perform different functions, and all these layers constitute a structure of a tooth. Now let's discuss that how can we take care of our tooth or teeth. So taking care of our teeth helps to prevent plaque, which is a clear film that stuck to your teeth or to our teeth. It is formed by the action of bacteria on the food particles and sugar present in between the teeth, breaking it down into acids that eat away tooth enamel, causing holes called cavities. So whenever we eat food, some parts of food or some pieces of our food stuck between the teeth, and the bacteria break it down into acids, and this acid eat away our tooth enamel, causing holes. It causes holes in our between our teeth or in our teeth, and these holes are called cavities. When bacteria reach inside the pulp, the nerves are exposed to hot and cold things, which causes pains in the teeth. This is known as tooth decay. So when this bacteria reach inside the pulp, the nerves are exposed to hot and cold things, means this bacteria causes pain and sensation in our teeth. This is called as tooth decay. It generally takes place between the age of 12 and 18, because at this age we generally used to eat sugary items. Apart from pain, tooth decay also causes stomach trouble and indigestion, and it also gives out bad smell from our mouth. So, to keep our teeth clean and disease free, we may do the following things. Brush your teeth twice daily, especially at night, using a good toothpaste. So, we have to brush our teeth twice daily, in the morning and especially at the night. It is also important to visit the dentist after every 6 months. After every 6 months, we have to visit a dentist. Wash your mouth well after eating meal. So after every meal or after eating anything, we have to wash our mouth well. In between dentist visits, we can prevent problems by eating fewer sugary snacks and sugary drinks such as fruity, maza, soda, because sugar can hurt our teeth and cause tooth decay. So in between the dentist visit, we have to prevent our teeth from decay by eating fewer sugary snacks. We have to reduce the use of sugary snacks and soft drinks such as fruity, maza, because sugary items hurt our teeth and cause tooth decay. Take a balanced diet which include milk and its products in our daily diet, as they are rich in calcium, which helps to make our teeth strong. So we have to take a balanced diet which includes milk and milk products also, because milk and milk products are very rich in calcium and helps to make our teeth and bones strong. So now you have understood that you have to brush your teeth twice a day or daily. But do you know how to brush your teeth? So let's discuss how to brush your teeth. The best way to brush your teeth is to do it in little circles. So what we have to do? We have to go around and around until you have covered every surface of every tooth. We have to go around and around until we have to cover every surface of every tooth, and brush our teeth up and down and side to side also, so that this removes food and plaque that gets stuck in between our teeth, and that's how we can clean our teeth properly. If you take care of your teeth now, then they will be with you for the rest of your life. So if we take care of our teeth, so they will be with us for the rest of our life, or if we do not take care of teeth, so they will fall out very early. So thank you and see you in the next video.